Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Gather your materials before you start. 8. 5x 11 inches cardstock at about 200 GSM, a metal ruler, craft knife, cutting mat, bone folder, pencil, and double-sided tape or PVA glue. Plan a finished rectangular box about 3, 5x2, 5x1, 25 inches so the Toffees fit snugly. Add 1/4-inch glue tabs to all edge measurements. If you want a grease barrier, cut a parchment liner sized 3, 2x2, 2 inches to sit inside the base. This prevents oil transfer. On your cardstock, draw a template. A central rectangle 3, 5x2, 5 inches and 4 side panels each one, 25 inches tall, plus 1/4-inch glue tabs surrounding the pattern. Score all fold lines at 1/4 inch from the edges using a ruler and craft knife or scoring tool, then crease sharply with a bone folder so folds are precise. Trim small corner squares from the glue tab intersections and cut 2 diagonal slits where panels meet to form triangular tabs. These tabs fold in cleanly and create. To assemble, fold all panels up and apply a thin bead of glue to each 1/4 inch glue tab. Press adjacent panels together and hold each corner for about 30 seconds until set. Once the base is solid, insert the 3, 2x2, 2 inches parchment liner, and, if you like, a small square of clear cellophane to keep candies separated. Fill with Toffees, then close the lid and secure with a 6mm ribbon or a 1cm round sticker label. Test the fit by gently shaking to confirm there is no movement during transport.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.